guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, if you didn't know. And let me just first start off by saying I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a really long time. I tried to record a everyday makeup routine. It just didn't come out good. And then I was sent this collection and I wanted to review it, but I had to work, so I had to wait till my off day. And it's been really mucky outside and cloudy. So I wanted to record it on a nice day, and it still turns out on my last off day for this week, it's still cloudy. So I'm super sorry for this late YouTube video, and I hope you are ready for what I'm doing today. I'm coming at you with my Pixi beauty review of the products that I used today from the collections that they have sent me. So if you want to see my thoughts on it and how it worked today, then keep on watching. And also a little disclaimer, if you guys hear some noise in the background, I'm really sorry. I had no way of shutting up that little sound that's bugging me. You might not hear it, but I hear it and it's annoying, so I'm super sorry if you hear it, but keep on watching. So this is the Pixi Beauty package. Looks like this. She's pretty big. This collection is a mix of a lot of collections. It's not like a collection, it's like a couple collections. And this is what it looks like when you open her up. It's a mix of 5 different artists, kind of like a face palette. The first thing that I'm going to review is the Pixi Beauty eyeshadow palette, and it is by Heart Defensor. I guess that's her name. We'll also include the prices right here. I don't know it off the top of my head, but I will put the exact prices right here so you can know the prices if you were curious. So this is what the palette looks like in the packaging, and on the back it has the eyeshadow names, which I think is really nice. But before I forget, I should probably prime my eyelids. Key step, you know. So to prime my eyelids, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I really like this for an eyeshadow base. It's thick, it's full coverage. It does not crease my eyeshadow whatsoever, so I really like it. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M33 brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's called February 4th, and buff that in my crease. So now to deepen up my crease, I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's called Lip Sync. Going in with my Morphe M139 brush. It's like the same brush, but it's a little bit smaller. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M514 brush, and I'm just gonna go back in with February 4th and blend these two colors together. Now going back in, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called The Best Fam. And that is it for this palette. So my thoughts on this eyeshadow palette is I actually really like it. The colors are very nice. They blend really well. It's easy to blend even if you pack on the color. No fallout under my eyes, which is really nice. Next for the eyes, I was also sent these two, and they are an eye and lip kit. This is what this one looks like. You get like a liquid eyeshadow and a lipstick. I think you pronounce her name Mariam. I hope I pronounced her name right. If not, I'm sorry. But she has 2 of these. She also has this one, which has like a nude lipstick and like a black eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. Ooh. So this is the liquid eyeshadow. Very pretty. And ooh, so they do give you a full-size lipstick. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to go in with this liquid eyeshadow and put this all over my eyelid. So it takes a second to dry down, but it's so pretty. It's like dramatic, but like not too dramatic. It's like perfect. It goes really good with my eyeshadow because it has a pink reflect to it. So it looks really flattering on the eyes. Next, I'm gonna go in with this lipstick. It's like a red, but like tinted, not as like dark red. I have this Pixi Beauty red. This is like a deep red. This is like a not as deep red. This is in the shade Coral Bang. It smells really good too. I like it. Oh, I really like their applicators. It's like pointed, so you can really get like a precise line. It's like kind of like applying a lip liner. I think this is like a very vibrant red. It feels very hydrating. So these two that came in the kit, 10/10 recommend. Like, I like it. It's gorgeous. It's really cute. Next for the lips, I was also sent these, and these are like a lip gloss, like a lip topper. And she sent 3 different shades, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce them because I'm gonna fail. So I'll just put them right here. And it is called Lip Glow. It's by Chloe. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna wear it with this look because I don't want to wear pink or blue on top of my red. There's this one. This is a highlighting palette. It's called the Layers Highlighting Palette in Glow On, and is by her, Rachel. But I also have these 2 highlighters, and it's called Pixi From Head to Toe Glowy Powder. This is in Fetch. This is in Wednesdays. This is like a purple. This is like a dark gold. This is by Jen. And like, I don't know which one I want to use. I think I'm gonna go in with this one because I like these 2 colors. So 2 of the shades came broken, but that's okay. We still love her. I'm not gonna like hold her up. I don't want her to spill. I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques setting powder brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Clutch. It's one of the broken ones. And I'm also going to add lace on top of that. Ooh, the highlight though. I think this is perfect glow. It doesn't look powdery on the skin. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't look powdery. It looks very like natural. Even though I added a couple layers, it doesn't look like I added that much when you like look at my skin. I mean, obviously it's gonna look really bright to you because you're looking at me through a ring light, so it's like reflecting off of my ring light. But when you look straight at me, it doesn't, it looks very subtle and natural. Then lastly, with Jen's collection, she has a endless shade stick, an eyeshadow stick, okay? And it's endless shade stick one and done. Now I'm kind of salty. I didn't realize that's what it was in the beginning. Otherwise, I would have used it. But let me see what it looks like. Comes in packaging like this. Do you pop off or twist off? It's very like dark. It goes on very smoothly. It looks like that. Oh, and it twists up and you get more product. That's cool. Finish up my makeup and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, and I'm back. I finished off the rest of my makeup, so now I can gather my final thoughts. My final thoughts on the collections that I used. I actually like them. I like the way that my makeup turned out. I really like this eyeshadow look and the cute glitter it gives off. My highlight is glowing to the gods. My lipstick looks cute. I think these artists did a really good job. I think all these products are really well and they work really good together. So yeah, that is my final thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed my little review, Pixi Beauty products that I have. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video.